Hi, Seth. Today we are going to learn about letter S. So your task is to name each object in the water that begins with S.
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
What are those things in the water that begin with S?
This is sailboat. This is sailboat. This is sailboat. Sailboat. Scissors. Strawberry. And scoop.
Scoop cup.
Scoop cup. Spatula. Stickers.
Stegosaurus.
Cup.
What is the specific name of that cup?
Drinking cup.
Drinking cup? What kind of drinking cup?
Sippy cup.
Sippy cup. Okay, what else? What number is that?
6.
Number 6. Okay. What else?
Spoon.
Spoon. Anything more? Is that all? What are the letters that you see on the sailboat?
S.
There is S.
8.
What is that? What letter is that? Show it to us, please. Oh, what letter is that? It does. Put it down further. Okay, now show it to me, please. Show it. That's letter. Huh? Are you sure? That's letter H. Letter H. And then what else do you see? What letters? You have S, you have H, you have letter. There's letter E. Show it to me, please. Oh, just put it back. It's all right. Hey, Seth.
Yeah.
Does your name begin with S?
Yeah.
Can you please tell us the spelling of your name?
S-E-T-H.
Well done. Now tell me which of the objects sink or float. Do scissors sink or float?
C.
They sink. How about number 6?
C.
Sink. How about the sippy cup?
Float.
Float. How about the sailboats?
Float.
Float. The spatula?
Float.
Floats. Okay, how about the scoop cup?
Float.
It also floats. The strawberry. Can you show me the strawberry, please?
Yes.
Does it sink or float?
Float.
Let me see, please. Oh, yeah, it floats. How about the spoon, the orange spoon? Can you please pick it up? Okay, now drop it. Does it sink or float?
Float.
It floats. All right, you're doing an amazing job. I am so happy. Now, can you please tell me what happens to the Stegosaurus? Does it sink or float?
Float.
It also floats. So how do we know that the object sinks or floats? Does sailboat sink or float?
It floats.
It floats. So look at the sailboat. Notice that
It goes that
the
way.
sailboat is moving on the surface of the water. So if an object is just resting or moving on the surface of the water, that means that the object floats. Now that sippy cup is sinking or floating?
It floats.
It is floating. It is floating because it is moving on the surface of the water. Okay, so how do we know that the object sinks? Okay, let go of the spatula, please. The object sinks if you can see it settling down the bottom of the water. If it goes down below the surface of the water, just like that, what is that called?
Spatula.
Spatula. Look at number 6. Does it float or sink?
It sinks.
It sinks. Why does it sink? How do you know it sinks?
Because it's number 6.
Because number 6 is
Look at my
resting.
hand. He also
at the-
sinks. My hand also sinks.
Yeah, your hand also sinks. because your hand is resting at the bottom of the water. It's below the surface level of the water.
2 hands are sinking.
2 hands are sinking. You are correct. So number 6 is also sinking because you can see it resting or moving slightly below the surface level of the water. Seth, so how do you feel about your activity today?
Good.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Did you have so much fun? Oh no. Did you have so much fun?
Yeah.